Class is over. You can go.
Where is everyone? They flew away. It's Catherine's first day at her new college. This place is so weird. Ooh. Is anyone here? Hold on. Dear Werewolf, do you know where the vampire classroom is? There? Thanks. Oh no! They are about to eat the teacher! Phew, I guess not. Hi everyone!
This is our college's logo. Each student has one of these.
Attach a printed logo on foam paper and cut it out. Hot glue a pin back to the reverse side. Cover it with foam paper. Coat the logo with clear polish.
Hang on! I hear a heartbeat!
Oh no! I'll hold my breath!
I guess not! Welcome to our class!
Thanks! The students are working very hard.
Time's up! Put your papers on my desk!
Why carry your paper when you can use telekinesis?
Really? Catherine, where is your paper?
I'll have to carry it myself.
Catherine, you didn't have to walk.
Awkward. I wish I could use telekinesis. The vampire class is taking a test. Oh man, my pencil is broken. Does anybody have a sharpener?
A sharpener? Did you hear that?
The classmates are clearly shocked. Mr. Draculus will help you.
Dear vampires, this is the legendary fang of Dracula IV. Seeing it is a huge honor.
Thanks. It's just a sharpener. Make a fang out of foil. Attach it to a sharpener. Wrap it in foil. Apply a layer of hot glue. Even out the surface. Color it with acrylic paint. The pencil really is super sharp. What are they staring at?
The topic of the class is the human circulatory system. What?
Vampires get hungry right away.
Does everyone remember the right way to bite? Oh, you're starving. It's time for lunch.
The vampires are enjoying their vampire meals. I'll tape up my veins just in case those snacks aren't enough. Oh, I got a splinter. It hurts. Vampires sense human blood. I need a Band-Aid right now. Teasing vampires is a bad idea. Where did my crush go? He's sleeping. Fine. Here's his locker. Whoa! Wake up! It's time for class.
What time is it?
8:50.
I still have some time. Oh.
Mr. Draculus has a favorite pen. He loves giving grades in blood. Pour castor oil in a plastic tube. And colored water. Put in a pen. Seal it with red hot glue.
Class, here are your tests.
Oh yeah! An F! Smells yummy! Did she lick her grade? Yum! It's not hard to fix. Want some? No, you can keep it.
Here are the most famous vampires ever! My brother was friends with Einstein! Lincoln was a jokester!
I knew it!
And this is Tesla, my mom's brother! The resemblance is uncanny!
Were all of them actually vampires? Looks like Mr. Draculus noticed a cheat sheet during the test.
Sarah, you can't trick me! You get an F for cheating! And forget about any hints!
Catherine has a cheat sheet too. What is she hiding? She has a cheat sheet on a mirror. Mr. Draculus won't see it for sure. Catherine has a new choker, but the other students don't like it. Of course not, because it's made out of garlic. Make a garlic clove out of light clay. Paint it after it hardens. Make a few cloves. Attach to a choker strip.
Ew! It stinks! She's crazy!
Vampires can't stand this smell.
Stay away from her!
This choker is making Catherine pretty unpopular.
Your time starts now!
Oh.
The teacher is watching the students like a hawk. The questions are so hard.
Time's up! Hand in your papers!
In this classroom, even an apple turns into a vampire.
Watch over the class!
The teacher is gone. I'll try to add a couple answers.
Thanks for your help! Let's get back into it!
This vampire is smoking hot. I wish I knew what he was writing in his notebook. Attach a printed vampire with a cape on thick cardboard. Cut it out with some extra around the edges. Glue in sewed sheets. Attach elastic ribbon loops to the center. Put in a red marker. Attach a red ribbon to the back. Wrap up vampire wings and tie them with a ribbon. Break time! It's my chance! I'll just take a peek. The notebook flew away!
Catherine is gone, and she left her phone! Look at these pics! Braces and glasses! She's coming!
What's wrong with them? Oh man! They found my old pics! What happened? Kate, why are you all sad? They are laughing at this! It's not even funny! I'm gonna show you something! Here are my childhood pics! I used to have braces and glasses too! Don't be embarrassed, just ignore them! Vampires like joking around just like regular people. Whoa! This handsome guy has something stuck in his teeth. Good thing I have a toothpick.
A steak!
Here, you're gonna need a toothpick.
Oh, it's not a steak! But I still got scared! Guys, let's get started! Where is everyone? We don't know!
Sorry I'm late. This coffee is for you.
You! Gross!
Mr. Draculus, I'm late, but I got your favorite drink. Create a drawing on a plastic cup with a pencil. Paint it. Trace the caption with a permanent marker. Glue on the Starbucks logo.
Oh, thanks! What a great way to start the day!
Watch and learn. Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us if you'd like to study at a vampire college. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.